Hi everyone, hope you guys are doing great. So I got this JOBY GorillaPod mobile rig tripod to take videos with my cell phone. And I got it from Best Buy for like $99. The price is pretty much the same everywhere. So I just went into Best Buy and I bought this. And I did quite some research before I went with this one. And the reason why I like this one is because, it's got these adjustable legs that can pretty much hold on to anything. And the head that comes with this is pretty robust compared to the other heads. I think if you just buy it separately, it's going to cost you $50 or so. Okay. And the other good thing is, these arms that I can attach any accessories to, like a light or a GoPro. And this head has this attachment where I can add an external microphone. So all good things. Okay. What else? Okay. The good thing about the head is you can turn it horizontally and vertically in place. Okay, so you don't have to unscrew and then put it back. Okay, so that's the good thing about that. Alright, so let's open the box. That's the tripod, the head, then the arms, and these are these attachments for the accessories. Okay. What else? And okay. So these are the instructions. Right. So I'm just going to follow the instructions, and I'm going to assemble this. Right. Alright, so let's get these pieces out. So the head over here, okay. The tripod, the arms, and this one here. So let me just use my cell phone over here. So it looks like, okay, this, and then I tighten it like this over here. Okay, so let me just put my cell phone over here, just down. So it looks like in this position I can, now this is horizontal, I can just put it vertical like this. Okay, and then I just need to tighten it. Okay, right. So then let's attach the tripod. Okay. And then these arms. Okay. Let me put it horizontal again. So I just loosen this, and then I turn it horizontally. Okay. Okay, up and down. Okay, there you go. Thanks for watching, guys.